I figured that this would be something worth noting because if you've ever been attacked by phone 50, 100, 150 times, phone calls, text messages, emails, after applying for a mortgage online, it's because you're one of what is called a trigger lead. Trigger lead is noticed by the credit bureaus and it's sold to marketers 24 to 48 hours after your credit is pulled. And that information is then sold to mortgage companies. Now, these mortgage companies will call you relentlessly. Some of them will say that they're calling from the mortgage company that you applied with, which is not true. Most are not even licensed to do mortgages. They're just there to get you on the phone and maybe take an application and get as much information from you as possible and make it seem like they're your mortgage company. And this can be very frustrating. Now, trigger leads are a legal practice under the Fair Credit Reporting Act. However, people can opt out of trigger leads and pre-screened offers. To opt out of trigger leads and calls, I'm going to tell you how to do that. But if you can look at my screen here and see how easy it is to find a trigger lead, they're paying maybe 25 cents for this, and they have programs that will scrape the data for your phone number, your address, your email address. They will text you, they will call you, they will email you, and they will call you and call you and call you. Now, there is a law that is in place right now where it's moving through the House and through the Congress right now that is supposed to stop the utilization of trigger leads and make it illegal for this to happen, because the credit bureaus or credit agencies are selling your data to marketers for the sole purpose of contacting you and selling you a mortgage that 9 times out of 10 is not going to come out of fruition. We do business with our referral partners and with prior clients and referrals from those prior clients. Now, the way to stop this from happening, and the way that I tell my clients to do this, is list yourself on the Do Not Call registry. Now, this way is a very easy way for you to go ahead and list yourself, and you're going to opt out for 5 years. Let's go to opt out first, optoutprescreen.com, and you'll have these listed for you shortly. And let's go down to click here to opt out. It's name, address, social security number, and date of birth. Easy thing. So we're going to electronically opt out for 5 years. Now, all of this data is going to be collected. They will send you an email to verify that you did confirm that you want to be opted out for 5 years. This may raise your credit score 3 to 5 points as well. I've seen it happen. Then, if you want to do the Do Not Call registry, I would also suggest on this, because this will have them stop calling you for simple things like, I don't know, home repair, or it will just stop all phone calls whatsoever. It will not stop, however, phone calls for car warranties that are calling from VoIPs that can't be traced. Got a $5,000 fine through the FCC if they do. You just enter in all of your phone numbers here, your email address twice to confirm that it's you, and submit. It's that easy. Now, for this process, it's going to take about 30 to 31 days for it to take effect and for stop these people from calling you and contacting you for your business. But it does work. So I hope that this helps you. And in the slides following, it will have the websites that I've just called out, the Do Not Call registry and the opt-out pre-screen, to help you in the future so that you're not harassed by these people. And I look forward to helping you in the future. Have a great day.